Hello YouTube! Welcome and welcome back to the channel. This is me Prangan Mujumdar welcoming you to a new video. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm gonna unbox something really interesting. For a couple of days now I have been watching this drone which is really trending on YouTube, all over my shorts, all over my Instagram feed. Everyone is saying that this drone is really easy to fly. And as a tech lover person, I always wanted to have a drone for myself, but drones are really expensive, okay? So I never ever tried buying one, though I told my mom, please buy me a drone. 5 to 6 years ago, drones were really trendy back then, but now drones are really high tech. Those were expensive then, and I hope these are gonna be more expensive. I've seen drones, those are like more than a couple of $1,000s. But here, what I have today, ta-da! This inside has a really special drone. Let's unbox it. 1, 2, 3, let's go. There you go. Nah, this is really blunt. I need a bigger knife. You come here. I knew I would need you. Haha, love this sound. 3, 2, 1, let's go. But careful, careful, careful. Does this open like this?
It was at this moment that he knew.
Dummy. I should have pulled this off. You move aside. Finally. Come on.
Many frame building attempts later.
Buddy, I'll need your help.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Wait, it's not supposed to open? Never mind. I'm dumb. It opens like this. Here it is. Here it is. Right here is the brand new DJI NEO. Let's unbox it, but let me read the specs first. DJI Care Refresh. In the box, it has the DJI NEO drone, a flight battery, propeller guard, spare propellers. Very good. A screwdriver, Type-C cable, and manual, of course, but I don't need a manual. Anyways, let's open this. This has seal right here, which shows an arrow. 1, 2, 3. Whoop! Wasn't smooth enough. Never mind. Whoop! Come, my little knife. Ow. Ow. Just missed it for like a centimeter. Aha. Nice. Keep this aside. And now, moment of excitement ends here. here in front of you, I present the... Okay, I have to remove this one first. I believe this contains some stuffs which is important. Let's keep this aside. But moment of truth. Here I present to you the brand new DJI NEO. Let's open this. Nice little feel. This is epic looking, guys. Just look at this. It's just so light. Wow. This has a Type-C charging cable, like charging slot right here. What are we supposed to do? Charge to activate the battery before using for the first time. I know that. I don't know. So here it is, as you can see. Let's keep this aside and see what else is inside the box. Okay, so I have, the manual, of course, I guess. What else is in there? Is that a warranty card? Oh, this is the DJI Store app where I can connect and do a lot of stuffs. It's all written in here. And then the user manual. Of course, I don't really need it unless I have some complications. And wait, are these stickers? Hey, that was not mentioned on the thing. Wait, are these stickers? Yes, they are. Wait, what? One? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not one, not two. 6 different epic stickers. Wow, I wasn't expecting this. Yeah. Whoa, I'm excited. I want to fly this ASAP. What else is inside? Oh, silica gel. No one needs that. I have to throw this out later or else USF will kill me. Okay, so what was inside that thing? Where did I keep that box? Oh, right there. What's inside this? Oh, I can guess. It should be a charging cable and the propeller guards. Oh yeah. See, there is one small propeller and with 3 screws. There should be one more. Yeah, right, the exact same thing. 2 of these. And then we have a cable, Type-C to Type-C. Very nice, I needed this. I was thinking, how would I charge it? And the mini screwdriver. Wow. And about this, see the thing up here has like 2 propeller guards, which is attached, which is nice. I thought I had to attach them. I can see the battery up here, and I guess it's detachable. Should be detachable. I don't want to take the risk to detach it right now, honestly speaking. If it ruins something or does something bad, I'm done for. Okay, so you can see the camera up here. I've heard that it can do 4K recordings. Can't wait to test it. Over here I can see some buttons. I mean, I can see only one button which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 modes, I guess. 6 modes, and I guess this is the power button. I believe so. I'm not gonna press this unless I charge it properly. It was amazing. So let me sum up whatever I have here all together. Okay, so this is what I got overall, which are necessary. I don't need the boxes right now. This is the main thing. This is the drone, the stickers, the screwdriver, the Type-C cable, the 2 propellers with screws inside. That's pretty much it. The most interesting fact about this is that this does not need a remote controller. It has a smart software installed in it, which is supposedly AI. It is programmed to follow you. Then, as far as I saw in the shorts, that it can follow you, it can circle around you, it can detect objects, and like you can control it with your palm or something. And there is like rocket mode, which goes up and comes back to you and all. And also, if you want to control it with the remote, I guess you have the option for that too, though you have to buy the remote separately, or I guess you can connect it with the app and then fly it around. Interesting. I really can't wait to try this. Also, for everyone who doesn't know how to fly a drone like me, I bought this only because it doesn't need any expert minds to control it. It's really easy to fly, and I've seen some videos where people can't land a drone. After it takes off, people can't control it to put it down and it just crashes. But this, as you can see right here, there are sensors up here which can detect your palm. So like if you place your palm like this while it's in flight, it's gonna just gently sit on your palm and turn off. I mean, wow. That's really smart of a drone. Like literally. So I can't wait to fly this. Of course, I'm gonna go home, charge it for like at least 3 hours, I guess. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. We'll test this baby. Bye.